my YouTube channel. For this week's video, I'm going to be showing you guys my room tour. Before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. And don't forget to hit that notification bell or that notification box. I'm going to post every Friday. Let's go! So this is my room. Ta-da! So when you first enter the door of my room, to your left, you have my vanity and like a few of my cubbies over here. So I'm gonna start with this side. So I have like 6 different cubbies. I'm not really sure what to put in here yet. The only reason why I have such little things is because we haven't fully moved in. So in this cubby, I just have my sleeping mist for my pillows and stuff. 2 of my favorite Victoria's Secret perfumes. Thermal for the AC. My St. Michael statue thing. And hue light. I don't actually have a lamp. I have my stepdad's house and my hue lamp. Or like, that's over here. And then my candle, which goes at the very bottom. So you can actually turn this on. That's what it looks like. I'm missing a bulb over here, so we're still gonna have to buy a bulb. And then we have my acrylic chair. So it really goes with the theme of my room, which is white and gray. So I have like 2 drawers over here. This is just like my brush and my comb and hairpins and a lighter for my candle. And then on this drawer, I just have all my scrunchies. So this is like a temporary space for them until I buy like a basket that goes with my room. And then my laptop, hydro flask, my wireless charger, some nail polish, my other phone. And then on this side, actually for all of my bags. So I have a lot of bags. That's why my mom gave me so much of these. So right now, the bags that I have in here, I have my Kajal Robin backpack, my Victoria's Secret bag, my Gucci bag, Disney plastic bag. I have my TikTok box, which is full of candles, so that was full of TikTok merch. And then my TikTok tapestry. Probably gonna not put it on the wall, I'm not sure yet. And then on this cubby, I have my caboodle, so it's just like a makeup box. And then my makeup kit, which I bring me everywhere. And then a gift for my brother, Rafi. He has like a shop. I will link it down below. Go get one. Like if you need it for school and stuff, like you can store your iPad in it and everything. So you don't have to bring like a backpack and stuff. It's really useful. And then this cubby, of course I have my army bomb. Keep it over here. And then this light box that I got for one of my birthdays from my godmother. So it just says here those. By the way, if you haven't entered, I'm giving away an army bomb. So I will link the video down below. And then over here is where I'm going to store my shoes. So I don't have all my shoes in here yet. So I just brought the shoes that I usually wear every day. So I have my Vans over here, my Birkenstock clothes, and another pair of slides. So you can open both sides and stuff. So yeah. I'm not really moving a lot of things here, just things that I want to leave. Because I do also live with my grandmother, so I have a house. I have a room in her house. So next to this is my bed, my favorite thing. So this is very soft. It's like a cushion and stuff. So I got a bunch of pillows. BT21 merch and stuff. So actually, from my bed, I have my TV up there. my TV is actually an Android TV. I have Netflix on here right now. So instead of using a remote, you can also use a keyboard. So that's what I usually use to like control the TV and stuff instead of using the remote. Very, very, very useful. And when I don't feel like watching TV, I can actually just clip it. Ta-da! And if I want to feel like watching TV, I clip it back. And I just hide the wire at the back so it looks cleaner. Here at the foot of my bed, I have a little poof and my rug. So I'm actually getting a bean bag as well to put like somewhere here. So yeah, that's that. And then over here, I just have my fan that I use within the day. So I have the remote and everything. And yeah, that's that. I have my closet. So I do have blackout mirrors. So this side of my closet is actually where I'm gonna hang all my hoodies and stuff, long sleeves, pants. And then on this side is just, you know, your normal closet where you put your shirts and like drawers and stuff. So there's that. So the theme of my room is actually gray and white. And so is my bathroom. So my bathroom, it's actually a sliding door. Very modern. So this is my bathroom. Welcome to my bathroom. There's my sister. So I wanted my bathroom to be like marble. That's like my dream bathroom. So my mom and my parents made it happen. So that's why all my tiles, my entire bathroom is filled with marble tiles, except for the floor. So I have a mirror over here. Pretty big mirror. I love mirrors. So you can actually open this side and there's like a lot of things that you can put. I have a lot of skincare, but these are just like some that I use every day. And then I have a acrylic platter over here that matches with my chair. And then like a soap dispenser, my toothbrush, my toothpaste. And then on this side, I have like a socket over here, so I have 2 sockets. I have my basket, it's my curling iron, and my flat iron. And then over here, I just have like a travel kit sort of thing. And then my Innisfree BT21 skincare. So if you haven't seen my everyday skincare routine, I'll link the video down below as well. And then over to this side, I just have my face towel and my towels. And then for the bathroom, I also have this spray. It's from Bath and Body. Yeah, there's still a lot. I use this all the time. And then, yeah, this is my shower. You can just open and close that door, stuff like that. So that's my bathroom. Oh, and I forgot to show you this other thing. So there's a light under here, so you can actually turn it on and off. That is my room. It's pretty cozy. I actually love it. I'm like inside here 24/7 just watching Netflix. So if you guys want to see like a house tour or like my sister's room or something, or my brother's room, just do comment down below. If you guys like this video, a lot of people have been asking for a room tour wherever I am. So this is a pretty new room. That's why I decided to show it. So yeah, if you guys like this video, please do give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell or the notification box when I post every Friday. This week's question of the day is, how many siblings do you have? I have 4. And this week's notification squad shout out goes to... If you guys want to be part of the notification squad, all you have to do is comment down below #SamFam with a yellow heart, and don't forget to answer the question of the day to be shout out in the next video. Now, see you guys in a really new video next week. Bye!